We have seen the world has transformed with the help of AI, a chat GPT which has transformed the way people work in the company. Now, there is no tool in the world right now which is used for creating diagrams, no AI tool. Here in this video, we'll understand a very simple and user-friendly tool which is a one-stop solution for all-in-one diagram. There are 220 different type of diagrams you can create by just one tool. The name of the tool is eDraw Max. I call it as a GPT for diagrams. Whether it is a flowchart, UML diagrams, or infographics, floor plans, or any diagram over here, by just one click with the help of AI features, you can create in just 60 seconds. People spend 3 hours to create this kind of diagrams. It can come down to just 60 seconds. Many people are using Excel, PowerPoint, Word document, Visio. These are different tools people use it for different diagrams. But this particular tool is one-stop solution to create it. Whether you're a CEO of a company, a manager, or an executive, whether you're a medical student or an IT student, medical professor or an IT instructor, this is one-stop solution for all the diagrams which you create. Now, with the other features, you can also upload a simple PDF document in this particular tool and then download infographic from here. Let's try to see this topic one by one. Very first thing, to start on this particular platform, you can just open this edrawmax.com. You can find the link in the description and the comment box here. So go to the edrawmax.com and then you can just click on sign up option over here. Now, when you sign in, you have many methods. Either you can register or you can use your Gmail account to sign up to this account. Once you log in, you'll be landing to the home page of this edrawmax.com and you can see all the features on the screen available here. Now, once you jump to the landing page, you can see the user interface. On the left-hand side, we have the options of home page, resend, my documents. You can quickly navigate to this page. On the top, you can see these are different categories of diagrams like software development, flowchart, mind map, network, and so on. If you click on more button, these are plenty of different options which are available. These are categories of charts or diagrams you can prepare. Here at the bottom, if you see, you can create all the diagrams with the help of AI. So we'll understand how to create a flowchart. We have two methods. One is a traditional method on the top, and second one is using AI, you can create a flowchart. So we'll see both the methods one by one. Let's try to understand. First thing, we can click on this flowchart option, and here again in the flowchart, there are different categories of flowcharts. Basic flowchart, data flow diagram, cross-functional flowchart, BPMN, and so on. Here, if we scroll down, and you can see these are different options which are available. Whichever option we like, we can just click on this option, use template. A new tab opens over there, and this particular template can be directly used. So I don't have to create from scratch again. On this particular template, you have a text box, you have the lines over here. You can modify any text. Suppose I click on this option here. I can make the text as bold. I can double click and modify the text, and I can click outside. I can click and change the color of that particular box. You can see anything and everything on this visual can be modified. On the left hand side, you can see there's an audit flow diagram. The elements you can drag and drop and put it here. You can drag and drop and put it here on this place. Also, you have the option as basic drawing shapes. These are some shapes which you can simple drag and drop, and that would be connected inside this flowchart easily. Very simple way. Let me just rename this one as manual flowchart, and I can create a new page over here. You can have multiple pages in one particular diagram here. Now, if I click on this option, there are 3 lines. Now, when we click on this AI feature, there's a flowchart. When you click on flowchart, imagine you're very new to the company. You do not have any idea how to create any flowchart. You can just write the name of that particular topic and a flowchart would be created. For example, if you see, I want to draw a flowchart, a prompt automatically went. It's asking me on which subject do you want to create a flowchart. So I'll type as online food ordering via Domino's and enter. Now, the moment I enter the prompt, from there 60 seconds, it will take and create a beautiful flowchart in front of me. You can see this flowchart is created, and the best part is you can see the animation is also available here. So let me decrease the size. We can see it is giving me all the details required to create a flowchart. Start ordering process, logged in, login sign up, choose items, and so on. Now, this particular flowchart, if you try to creating any tool in the world, it will take minimum 2 to 3 hours. Okay. So I can press Ctrl A from my keyboard. on the right hand side, style option. We can change the color of this particular boxes by selecting the option here. And if you scroll at the bottom, enable flow animation. You can enable that or you can disable that just by one click. You can change the speed, you can change the style of those flowchart animation in one single click. That's super easy and very simple here. Let me rename this one as AI flowchart and you can see the flowchart is ready. How much time it has taken me? 60 seconds. You put the name of that particular topic and you put the category of the flowchart or UML diagrams, it will create for you. So it's very simple and easy to prepare. Not only this, if you have any diagram or flowchart which is not so good looking and you have less time to present, okay, so what you can do is using this eDraw Max, you can beautify this particular visual in just one click. You can select this diagram over here and click on this feature. And if you observe here, in just one button click, this particular chart or the flow diagram has been created in a beautiful manner. So that's a feature named as one-click beautify feature. It's available in eDraw Max only. Let's see another example. When we click on the plus sign, on the left-hand side, we have the templates option. When we scroll down, there are plenty of templates. One more random example. So this time we can select an option as organization work direction. And this kind of diagram has been put into this particular eDraw Max. Now, sometimes you do not like this circular format, you do not like the textual format. In one click, you can modify anything on this diagram. You select this option, click on type, and these are different options you can select. You can change into star option, you can change the type into pie, you can change the type into pyramid, you can change the type into maybe funnel. So different type of diagrams can be modified in one click. No matter where you are, no matter what department you work, which company, which organization you work, this is one-stop solution you can prepare with the help of eDraw Max. So like this, there are plenty of templates. You can choose those templates as well. By the way, there are 30,000 templates which are available. And there are total 1 lakh, all the items if you combine. There are templates, there are shapes, images, pictures, all those if you combine, these are 1 lakh resources which are available. So if you're working in a content department, if you're working in editing department, instructional design department, this can be very, very useful for you. And now we'll see how to create infographics in just 60 seconds. All the visuals which you're seeing right now on the screen are created in less than 60 seconds. You can create those infographics very easily, very smoothly. Let's try to understand the steps. Very first step would be just click on templates. On the left hand side, you can see we have general, business, IT, engineering, and so on. Click on more option. And on the right hand side, if you see the infographic option has come. So at the bottom infographic, on the right hand side, infographic. Now infographics are available of different types. We have business infographic, education infographic, environment, and so on. So here, if you are a medical student, you'll use this kind of infographic. If you are related to music, you can pick up. So let's say we'll go for the medical option. I can click on this medical infographic too. The moment I click, within few seconds, this particular infographic is inserted into eDraw Max. Very simple. Now, definitely, I can change the color, I can change the text, modify the background, anything and everything can be done. So this is one example. Again, let's create a new page. Click on templates. At the bottom, we have the option as more. In the more option, we can go for infographic. And when we scroll down, we have different options available. I can go for, let's say, education infographic. Now, when I click on this, within few seconds, infographic has come. Now, trust me, to prepare the same infographic, people spend minimum 3 to 4 hours and still they don't get the better output. But here, within few seconds, you can modify any infographic and use it. So let me put here as TechnoEdge Learning Services option here. So this way, an infographic would be created. Now, the visuals which you saw on the screen and right now which you see are again created with the help of same AI tool which is eDraw Max. Now, have you ever seen somewhere that you upload a PDF document and download a diagram? Okay, this can happen only in one tool, not only one type of diagram, but there are various type of diagrams which you can create. In this example, I'll be showing you. Here, I go to the new page. On the right hand side, if you see this option, which is an AI feature over here, let me show you the file over here. This file is a project development timeline. My boss has given me this particular textual data, okay, and he has asked me to create a timeline. Now, click on this button, upload a file. I'll go to my folder and try to bring that file, which is timeline, upload. And here, instead of flowchart, I'll ask them to create a timeline. That's it. click on send and done. Less than 60 seconds, it will create a timeline. And here you see at the backend, when I minimize this, and you can see this is a simple timeline which is created with the help of the same textual data. Now, I just need to move it left and right wherever I want to adjust. So I can just control A and I can just shift it on the left hand side. Now, finally, after creating all these particular diagrams and visuals, we do not want to store and keep on a laptop. We want to share with the people across the world in the departments in the company here. Now, you have seen we have created manual flowchart, AI flowchart, pie charts, and so on. On the right hand side top, if you see export option. Now, this is very game changing thing. You can export as an image format, as a PDF document, a Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, SVG, and so on. The beautiful part is you can export into a Visio document and also into eDrawMax. So these are different formats. Let's try to export into an image format. We can go to this pie chart sheet, click on export and image. Now here it will ask me what's the name of that image, what type of image do you want, as an JPEG or PNG file. You want the current page or you want all the pages. So I'll say current page and click on export. Now within few seconds, this will be download as a JPEG format and I can click on this and you can see this is available here. Now it depends on me, how do I want to use it? Do I want to post onto LinkedIn, Instagram, or I want to put into PPT presentation? Anywhere I can use it. Now same way, if I want to export all the data into a PowerPoint presentation, normally people want only PowerPoint presentation today. You can click on export and you can just click on PowerPoint. Now here, definitely we want all the pages. So we can just click on export option here. 60 seconds and it will convert all the pages. If it is 20, 30, 40 pages, it will export into PowerPoint presentation. And here we go. When I open this presentation, you can see all the images are present here. So you see second, third, fourth, and so on. Definitely the alignment part I can modify. I can try to change the size and all. That is the other part, but you can see it is exported into PowerPoint presentation. The other thing is, suppose you don't want to present into PPT or other document, you can also share this link. So using this link, you can log into any laptop in the world. Right now, if you use PowerPoint or image, you need a desktop version to open that. But imagine sharing this link to some person. You can click on share button. This will give a pop-up window in next few seconds. I can invite users by entering email. They can view or they can edit as well. I can share a QR code as well for them so they can scan as well. So imagine you run a website. You can also embed the link on that. You can copy the link from here and you can embed that link into your website. So those kind of diagrams and flow charts and mind map and everything can be integrated on the platform. Very simple, easy to use tool, and right now it is trending in the market. So sharing on a document is easy, or sharing on a cloud is also easy in the eDrawMax option here. Interestingly, eDrawMax has created a larger community in a lesser time. It not only supports the diagrams and the AI features, but it also has the utility tools, for example, as QR code generation. You enter a link of any website or something, and then you can generate a QR code out of that. It also supports the formula editor. You can edit the formulas in this location, and also the vector text. These are utility tools which are available in eDrawMax. Now the best part is it not only supports the web application, it also supports on the desktop and the mobile versions. So wherever you travel, you can see the infographics and the eDrawMax on the mobile phone and also on the web application. And I want you to explore this and see how it can be helpful in your day-to-day life.